Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to set custom message ringtone on the Oppo A5x. Now to do that, first of all, just open Google Play Store. Then in the search bar, just search this. Then install this app on your smartphone. Then tap on open, tap on accept and continue, and select allow notifications. Select allow, then tap on the X icon. Now from here, just select ringtones, and at the top just select notification sounds, and from here you can select any notification sound which you like. For an example, I will select this one. Now to set this custom notification sound as your message ringtone, just tap on the download icon, then select set notification. Now just enable this toggle, then go back. Once you do that, the next step is to go to your home screen and open settings. From here, just tap on sounds and vibration. Under ringtone and alert sounds, just tap on message tone. Under custom, just tap on this device. And from here, just select the custom notification sound which we have selected. Just like that. And once you do that, you will set this custom notification sound as your message ringtone. And this is how you can set custom message ringtone on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.